Are pollen allergies making your life miserable? If you're dealing with itchy eyes, sneezing, coughing, or allergy symptoms inside your home, your carpets, upholstery, and air ducts could be trapping pollen, dust, and other allergens. At Perfection Clean Results, we help create a cleaner, healthier indoor environment for you and your family. Get 2 rooms for just $265 and save $100. Don't let allergies take over your home. Breathe easier and enjoy a fresher living space today. Call Perfection Clean Results now at 978-5318-002 to schedule your professional cleaning service.